In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a book tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible system to organize what you want to read, what you're currently reading, and what you've finished, all in one place. First, create a new database in your Notion workspace dedicated to tracking books. I recommend choosing a full-page table so it's easy to focus and expand later. Give it a clear name so you can find it quickly. This database will be the home for all your book entries. Next, add the key columns that make a tracker useful. Keep book title as the main page title. That's how Notion identifies each entry. Add author as a text property for consistent lookups. Set genre as a multi-select so you can tag a book with more than one category, like mystery and historical. Create a status column using a select property and add to read, reading, and completed as your labels. Finally, include a rating column as a number. Decide on a consistent scale. 1 to 5 is simple, and stick with it so your ratings are comparable. Now, start creating entries. Add the books you want to read, those you're currently reading, and the ones you've finished. For each entry, fill in the title, author, genre, and status. If you've completed a book, add a rating right away while it's fresh in your mind. As you move through your reading, update the status to reflect your progress. Change to read to reading the moment you start a book and switch to completed when you turn the last page. This simple habit gives you a quick snapshot of where everything stands at any time. Open each book's page to capture the details that matter. Add personal notes about what resonated, favorite quotes you want to remember, or a short summary in your own words. Keeping this context in one place helps you retain more from every book and makes it easy to revisit insights later. If you prefer a visual layout, create a gallery view for the same database. Set the card preview to show the page cover, and add a cover image inside each book page. With covers in place, your gallery will feel like a digital bookshelf and make browsing more enjoyable. Finally, review and update your tracker regularly. A quick check-in helps you see your progress toward reading goals, spot books that are stuck in reading, and decide what to start next. Keep it current, and your Notion book tracker will stay helpful, motivating, and tailored to the way you read.